Hello everyone! This video will describe a design project completed by the Normal Nail Guys. The team consists of Scott, Wenji, and Jean. All three are graduate mechanical engineering students at Oregon State University. The team had a great opportunity to work for the Willamette Valley Rehabilitation Center, or WVRC. The WVRC is a private nonprofit rehabilitation facility providing vocational services to clients with disabilities. They provide training and employment alternatives, which enable the client to access meaningful employment, participate in decisions, and lead quality, self-fulfilling lives. WVRC manufactures many wood products, including pallets and shipping crates. These are assembled using large pneumatic nail guns. While not technically difficult, using these nail guns pose some challenges. According to Rob Turner, the supervisor of the pallet department, it can take as long as a year to train clients to use nail guns skillfully. Here we can see Joe using a nail gun to build a pallet. Joe is right-handed, but due to a condition in his right hand, he is forced to use his left hand for nailing. If he doesn't make contact in the correct orientation, the nail gun fails to fire. This is frustrating and time-consuming. It is also too easy to fire a nail at the wrong angle. Here Joe uses a hammer to relocate a misaligned nail. This is also frustrating and time-consuming. Here you can see that the nail pattern produced is random and inconsistent. The Normal Nail Guys evaluated the situation and talked about potential solutions. They developed a mission statement in which they identified several key areas in need of improvement, including accidental nail gun firing, random placement of nails, random angle of nails, dropped nail guns, fatigue, and long training period. The team identified three key customer requirements. The mechanism should support the nail gun, hold the nail gun perpendicular to the work surface, and locate nails in the desired target zone. Key assumptions were that the mechanism would be safe to operate under normal conditions, there would be no reduction in productivity, it would be complete by early December, and it would cost less than $250 to build. The team used these parameters to develop several concepts, then settled on a design with which to move forward. This design was modeled and animated to serve as a proof of concept. Having been approved by the WVRC and other powers that be, the team moved forward with building an alpha prototype. This version was used to test parameters such as the spring rate and the number of articulating segments. Several changes arose from the alpha prototype testing. It was learned that barn door track and trolley would not perform well with any lateral torsion. A rotating gantry was not reasonable to achieve, and laser guiding would be important for location. These lessons were incorporated into a new design which was again modeled. This model was used to create fabrication and assembly drawings and a bill of materials. The bill of materials shows that the replacement component cost would be well over the $250 budget, but this was overcome by using remnant and reclaimed materials. The team then proceeded to build the beta prototype, the version that would be delivered to the WVRC. Many hours were spent in the shop bringing the design to life, and many discussions arose regarding the manufacturing details. And of course, testing would not be complete without the jungle gym test. The mechanism was completed and delivered to WVRC, where colleagues had the chance to try it out, and final approval was given by the powers that be. The next morning, the mechanism was installed in the shop and in use. Joe was the first person to put it to the test. As can be seen, the process is much easier for him now. Even with his left hand, he can easily position the gun to shoot nails in the desired position. When he is through with a nailing operation, he returns the nail gun to its home position where there is no risk of knocking it over. As can be seen, the consistency of the nail pattern is vastly improved.